A fox almost got snatched straight from the ground by the fastest bird on Earth. But why did the falcon suddenly let go the fox? Falcon isn't just any bird, it's the peregrine falcon. A sky predator that dives at 390 km faster than a speeding race car. And yet, the falcon dropped the fox mid-air. Here's the fact-wild twist. The foxes aren't even on their usual menu. These falcons go for smaller game, like a songbirds, squirrels, or the bite-sized stuff. So what was really going on? The fox got too close to the falcon's nest, and the fastest bird in the world just sent a message like, most likely this wasn't a hunt, it was a warning from Falcon. Back off.